Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY jean hack, how I take in the waist of my oversized jean. So if that sounds like something you'd like to see, then please keep on watching this video. So the three things you'll be needing are a shoelace, a safety pin, and a razor blade. So first you want to go ahead and just cut open the side of your jean very close to where the button is. You just cut it open, but cut it in such a way that you do not affect the front part of the jean. Exactly, just like that. So repeat the same step on the other side of the jean, just like this. Now you have both sides cut open. So now you want to go ahead and pass your safety pin through your shoelace, through the end of your shoelace, and begin to pass it underneath your jean. So just look at what I do with my hands. I ensure that I didn't make this part of the video fast, so that you can see how long it took me in real time to pass the safety pin round the waist of my jean. So now we have both ends of the shoelace out. So let me take you to the try on portion. So here I have my jean back on, but now I have my shoelaces in. So you want to go ahead and knot, the shoelace. You can tie it to how tight you want your jean to be. So can you see that it has taken all the waist gap that I had initially in the jean? So here you just tuck it in and you just button your jean and zip up, and you guys, there you have it. This is such a great hack that I am so glad I found, and I just thought to share with you guys. So please, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. Till I see you guys in my next video, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye guys.